I thought it was a very novel idea. Uh, it's going to resonate with people. Uh, of course, it's an adaptation of a movie, and the way Mudassar has adapted it for our audiences, the scale and scope to which he's taken this film, full credits for him. This is not an easy film to write. It's a very layered movie. Yes, there's a comedy aspect to it, but there's also a lot of truth in it. It reveals a lot about human nature. It reveals a lot about how we communicate and connect with each other in this modern day of technology. So I was fascinated with the way he put it all together, and just the conflicts and the way the film ultimately ends, and how they actually come out stronger in spite of all the chaos that this seemingly innocent game causes them. So I was totally blown away, and I was very excited to be offered it, and very grateful to be a part of it, and got to work with some most amazing people and getting to know them. So very happy.
When I first heard the narration, I was a little confused because I had not heard a story like this. It was such a unique concept, but I think over the period of time उन्होंने कई drafts बनाए और हर एक character बहुत ही unique और बहुत ही beautiful तरीके से लिखा गया था, और इतने beautiful situational comedy आ रही थी बहुत सारे scenes में कि eventually I was fully convinced कि ये film तो मुझे करनी है और ये character मुझे बहुत मज़ा आएगा करने में।
जी, मैं मुदस्सर भाई को मिला था जी 3 साल पहले आई थिंक। मैं, साकिब और मुदस्सर तीनों बैठे हुए थे, तो तब वैसे यारी दोस्ती में बात चलते हुए एक कमिटमेंट की थी उन्होंने भी और हमने भी कि हम फिल्म एक इकट्ठा करेंगे, और पाजी ने उसको बखूबी सीरियस लिया और उसके बाद हमें फ़िल्म सुनाई कि ये फ़िल्म है, ऐसे ऐसे करके तापसी है, सारी स्टार कास्ट है, मतलब डे बाय डे सभी फाइनल होते गए, और उसके बाद फाइनली ये मतलब 7 अजूबे इकट्ठे हुए, उसके बाद फिल्म बनी। और आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि मेरे को इतने अच्छे दोस्त मिले हैं इस फिल्म से, और बहुत अच्छा मतलब लगा इनके साथ, सबके साथ काम करके।
So like Fardeen mentioned that it's an adaptation, and I had seen the other one. I felt, when I saw the other ones, I felt something amiss. The film did not end in a circle for me, but when I read this one, it felt so whole. I said, okay, this is the kind of film that I would be, wanting as an audience to watch myself. So if that kind of, happens in an actor, I think it's the easiest decision for an actor to make. If I will be the audience for a film like this, I will definitely be a part of it.
There are very relevant issues that have been brought to the surface in this film from all the different characters. Of course, I can't give out too much because it'll be a spoiler, but whether it's about, shame, guilt, secrets, lies, embarrassment, and these are aspects of our lives that, we constantly confront with people sometimes, with our closest ones. It asks the question, about the importance of truth, and how important it is in relationships, especially with the people who are closest to you. It's about acceptance, it's about being heard, and it's about listening, and there are many layers, and yes, it has been told in the most entertaining way, and that's what makes it really resonate with people. So even though it touches upon some very serious aspects of our lives, and the characters are authentic, the stories are real, it's nestled in truth, but yet it's been told in a way which will make them laugh, which might make them cry, which will make them happy, and I think they will definitely be asking themselves a couple of questions when they finish watching this movie, and on the way home they're sure to have a conversation, there's sure to be a little bit of awkwardness, and there's sure to be a little musty, and hopefully they'll all maybe play this game and without all the chaos get to know each other better.
Yes, most definitely. I feel like there are so many times that we knowingly, unknowingly, intentionally, unintentionally, just to keep a relationship going. There are certain things you cannot share, you know, and you don't mean bad, but there are sometimes I think you're just in a situation where it seems best not to share certain aspects of your life. And I feel as much as we don't want to accept it, it is a truth for many, many people. So this film is just about those situations in people's lives, and I didn't think I would resonate, but over the period of time, we've gotten so deeply involved in our characters that I feel like there is truth in all of these characters. There's some truth in all these stories, and we all go through situations like this many, many times. So it did resonate with me, and I really hope it resonates with people, or even if it doesn't, I hope they're entertained and they leave the theaters with a happy feeling.
वो हमारा छोड़ो जी, बस लोग कर लें रेजोनेट बस। तो हम तो एक्टर्स, हम तो कुछ भी कर लेते हैं, बस लोग मतलब लोगों के लिए फिल्म बनाई है और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है बिकॉज इस ये जो टॉपिक है हर घर में एक एक दो बार मियाँ बीवी में या रिलेशंस में ऐसा कुछ हो चुका है ऑलरेडी कि मेरे को तेरा पासवर्ड दे, मेरे को स्नैपचैट का दे, इंस्टाग्राम का, फेसबुक का, व्हाट्सएप का, हर जगह का मतलब पासवर्ड, फ़ोन का पासवर्ड। तो ये बातें हो चुकी हैं, मतलब ये लोगों की बात है। जब ये लोगों के सामने आएगी ये चीज़, लोग 101% रिलेट करेंगे। और फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली तलाक भी होंगे, 500-700 तो होंगे ही होंगे ये फिल्म देख के। 140 करोड़ लोग हैं, 500-700 तो जायज़ भी है, होने भी चाहिए। हंसेंगे, खेलेंगे,
बाकी सब और करीब आएंगे।
हाँ, बाकी सब मतलब जो इस खेल को खेलेंगे, और ऐसा थोड़ी ना, मतलब मैं तो रेशो में तो जा ही नहीं रहा कि लड़के फंसेंगे या लड़कियां फंसेंगी। तो और भी मतलब रिलेशन और स्ट्रांग होंगे, बिलीवेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी।
I resonated because I have friends. One of them is exactly what Ami is playing. Somebody is what Fardeen is playing. So I absolutely resonated with, if not with the character that I am playing, but with definitely the others. So I think a lot of people will have somebody or the other that they know would be a character of the film. So
Yeah.
it's written in such a way that you can pick out a character from, be it Bombay, be it Delhi, be it Punjab, and be like, ये तेरे life पे है.
इसे तो
and
मैं
you'd say
जानता
yes.
हूँ, like I
It
know
is.
this person.
Working experience together was Hey Baby. I believe we started in 2005 or 6. Of course, he was a big star then. He was leading the film then. You know, a lot to learn from him regards his work ethic, his passion for what he does. But you know, today, after such a long gap, to work with him again, he's considered amongst the most successful actors in the history of Hindi cinema. He really does not need to work the way he does. He could make one picture in 3 years if he wanted. But to still see his, you know, to see him today make movies purely for the love of his craft, for just the love of being part of telling a story, the passion, the enthusiasm. I mean, he's like a newcomer on set. The discipline. So it's you know, a lot to learn from his experience. He's done 151 movies, and regards his comic timing, you got to have your A game on, because he doesn't miss a beat. So of course you rehearse, of course you discuss, but you got to have your A game and you got to match him, because he's not going to let go of a single beat, because he's obviously that experienced, and you know, he's honed in on his skills so well. So lot to learn, you know, a lot of regard and respect for him on many levels.
Working with AK sir has been an absolute pleasure, and it's been such a blast. He is so fun on set, he improvises so much. He used to help all of us improvise and do better in our scenes. और वो अपने खुद के सीन्स के साथ भी इतना कुछ करते थे कि दैट ही वुड डू स्टफ ऑन द स्पॉट जो हम लोग को भी नहीं पता होता था कई बार. सो दैट वाज ओनली टू मेक द सीन्स बेटर. So great fun working with him. He is a fantastic person, a terrific actor, and his comic timing is unbelievable. So great fun.
बहुत अच्छा था जी अक्षय भाजी के साथ। मैं पहले भी गाने कर चुका हूँ जी। फ़िलहाल एक गाना आया था, फ़िलहाल उसके बाद उसका सेकंड पार्ट आया था। तो मैं काफ़ी समय से अक्षय भाजी को जानता हूँ और काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। उन्होंने मतलब छोटे भाई की तरह मतलब हम सबको मतलब जैसे मतलब अब वो बड़े भाई रहे हैं हमारे सबके, और बहुत प्यार से उन्होंने रखा है। और हमने खूब मस्ती वहाँ पे की है। हम उसके बाद डिनर्स पे भी हम इकट्ठे हुए हैं। मतलब लंच हम सभी इकट्ठे करते थे। पाजी की टीम वो मतलब बहुत अच्छे उनके शेफ़ हैं और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा खाना खिलाया हमें। और काम तो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज जो कॉमेडी की आप टाइमिंग की आप बात कर रहे हो, कॉमेडी सिर्फ आती है मतलब अगर टाइमिंग की होती है। सिर्फ अगर टाइम पे पंच आ जाए तो आ जाए तो सही लगता है, नहीं तो अदरवाइज बहुत ड्रैग लगती हैं चीज़ें और फिर वो बहुत बुरी लगती हैं। इसमें क्या था मतलब सामने वाले बंदे का रिएक्ट टाइम पे आएगा तो इसमें फिल्म में इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं, सारे इतने अच्छे सबने काम किए हैं। और अक्षय भाई तो हैं ही बेस्ट। सारी टीम ही बहुत प्यारी है जी, तापसी वानी जो यहाँ पे नहीं भी हैं, और जो हैं ही तो वो तो सारे प्यारे हैं ही। तो हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब बहुत प्यारे हैं। सो सबके साथ मेरे को तो बहुत मज़ा आया जी, अच्छा लगा।
It's been a joyride. He's a man with zero ego, and he he pulls you up to his level field. He will not let you feel that you are below him or far more inexperienced than he is. He'll just elevate you. He'll elevate the entire atmosphere. Uh, you may be a newcomer, but you will still be eating food with him on the same table as everybody else is. But your director will be there, your producer will be there. So it just levels the playing field that ना मैं तेरे से बड़ा हूँ ना तू मेरे से छोटा है, कुछ नहीं. We are a part of a film, we are part of a bigger thing, and we'll treat it like that. So that is something that you know, a lot of people need to gain and understand from him, that when you have actors who may be slightly inexperienced than he is, it is very important to make them feel comfortable so that you can just get the best out of each and everybody.
Absolutely.
It's a wonderful feeling. Nostalgic, nervousness, excitement, especially when you've taken a gap as long as I have, which is about 12 years, which is also one of my regrets. But in so many ways, starting afresh, I feel like a newcomer. I'm, it's brought about a new energy, a new excitement within me. I'm learning from people now, and because things have changed so much. But the essence is still the same. You're a part of telling a story, and especially a film like Khel Khel Mein, which is authentic, which is real, which is really, really progressive. So I'm very, very grateful to be returning to the cinemas with Khel Khel Mein. And ironically, my last release was also with Mudassar Aziz, and so I guess life comes full circle in some ways, and he's the one who's brought me back.
Sharp entry.
He's the one who's brought me back to the cinema, to the cinemas again. So I'm very grateful to him, to Akshay, to the other people who I've worked with recently, which is Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, which is Sanjay Gupta, who signed me for Visfort. He was the first producer to sign me. I'm extremely grateful, and one doesn't get these chances very often, especially when you take such a long gap.
I'm just supremely grateful that I got an opportunity to be on a table with actors like this, who are not just terrific actors but also wonderful people. So just so blessed and so grateful that I just got to share this energy, this camaraderie with this cast. And this entire set, this experience was so full of love, friendship, masti, khana, pina, that the entire experience was the most special, most memorable, and I was treated with so much love that I'm so happy that even if it took time, my first Hindi film is this one, because it couldn't have been a better debut.
म्यूज़िक पे थोड़ा काम करना है जी, फिल्में कम करूँगा। लेकिन जैसे आपने बोला बैड न्यूज़ गुड न्यूज़ बन गई थी, और मतलब चल गई, लोगों को प्यार दिया लोगों ने इतना, तो लोगों का मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ, धन्यवाद सबका। और अभी मूव फॉरवर्ड। इसके लिए खेलने के लिए दरख्वास्त करते हैं आपको, प्लीज़ आप जाके सिनेमा में ज़रूर देखना और इस फिल्म को भी मतलब जितना प्यार दे सकते हो आप। हमें उम्मीद है कि लोगों की बात है, अगर लोगों की बात आप लोगों को दिखाते हो तो 100% वो प्यार करते हैं। और बाकी अच्छी फिल्में आएंगी तो डेफिनेटली करेंगे जी, हिंदी हो चाहे वो पंजाबी हो चाहे कोई किसी भी लैंग्वेज के हो, अच्छा काम करने को मिलेगा तो डेफिनेटली वील डू आवर बेस्ट।
Streaming on News 9 Plus. Subscribe and get free vouchers.